Okay, we're attempting to put this Train O Matic brake module into action, and this is from their manual of how to do it. And I've discovered that the trains don't stop, although they have ESU decoders in them, which have ABC functionality. So what I've discovered is that you need to tick that, and then you write it to the decoder, and when that's done, you will save it to that locomotive, and then it'll work. Without it, it will not stop the train. So the brake if left rail signal in driving direction is more positive than the right rail. That's the side you got to tick to get it to work as per the manual. So next video we'll go outside and see what's going on. Bye bye. So here we are again outside. There's the same schematic drawing of how to wire it up. There's the first wire, there's the insulation, second wire, and the other insulation block, and the third wire. And it's wired up correctly. There's the unit. Now here we have 455 sitting on the track. Now this is my fear, is that I'm going to drive it forward, and it will stop. Fantastic, really, really good. The only problem is that I think that when I hook up, let's say 5838 to the 455 in a consist, I think 5838 is going to push 455 all the way out of the section. So I'll turn the video off and we'll set that up and see what happens. Okay, you can see I've added 5838. And they're in a consist. There's the two of them. I'll drive them forward. Double five's in the block, 5838's pushing it, and it pushed it all the way out, so it kept going. So I have to stop it. I've now put it in reverse. It should come backwards. So, to make sure that 5838 does stop, I'm going to take 455 off, 5838 to forward, push it to go forward. There you go. 5838 did stop. I can't drive it out of that section unless I put in that switch that they're talking about just there. I haven't done that. So what it tells me is that if you're running multiple locomotives, you need to have a fair amount of real estate in your layout to accommodate multi-lashed up locomotives. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.